Right, hello everybody. Yay! The journal swap arrived with Yvonne. Remember I done the art journal? I'll put it all, link it all below. Yeah, we've decided on doing a little exchange, and to work, you know, with like mixed media and things like that. So it's more sort of art journal-y type thing. So I have no idea what she's given me. Yep, so I took it out the, you know, plastic wrapping and just so that save time and that crinkly noise. A nice bit of bubble wrap will be used, Yvonne. Thank you for doing this. It's quite fun. So yeah, I really enjoyed doing mine, and yeah, this is lovely, by the way. Oh, I know. Oh, I used to knit scarves for these. I've actually got some of these. Yeah, and it used to twist around and knit quite nice scarves. So that's lovely stuff, by the way. I never saw any of that like that, though. And that'll come in handy for my Paris journal, actually, I'm doing. Ideal. That might be my closure. I was looking for something to go around it. Well, not Paris, French. It's not really Paris, really. Just whatever. Trying to do it all French, but, you know, lovely tablecloth. Or oh no, the napkin, isn't it? Oh wow, look at that. Brilliant. How we've gone for similar colours. That is so funny. That's brilliant. Oh my god, I love it. I'll look at the little bits in a minute. Oh, that's great. Yeah, love it. Oh, this is lovely. Yeah, I will have some fun using this. It's nice. Lovely. Oh, and some jelly prints. Yeah, original. Well done. Thank you. The bubble wrap. Oh, this is great. We've done it so that it's about 10 pages, but I think we both added a few more because it was a bit thin. For all 10 pages, that means 20. That's 40 sides. That's quite, you know, quite a lot. So this is absolutely lovely. I love it. No, I'm going to really have fun. Oh, great. Yeah. Oh, lovely. Oh, this is really nice. Another nice gel print. Yeah. Yeah, I think they call that smooshing. Yeah, we smoosh the paint onto the paper. They're always great. Isn't it funny that we sort of gone quite similar? Lovely. Yeah, brilliant. Oh, these are good, Yvonne. You're doing really well, those. So I know she hasn't long had the gel print, the gel plate, Christmas. When do we got that? I thought, I know Yvonne would love it. It's lovely. That's great. Yeah, so watch this space. So working in here, trying some different techniques and that. So great. Lovely. I do like the feel of these too. They always feel so nice. Yeah, I love the beads. I couldn't find any some round wooden beads, and I thought, oh no, I want wooden beads. So I got pretty beads and couldn't find any, so I think you went without. Oh, that's great. Lovely. Thank you very much. All right, let's have a look. Oh, we said I just sent her a few bits just to play with. This is nice. Oh, lovely. Yeah. Oh, no. Thanks for swapping. This was fun to make, even though I made 3 different covers. I love the journal you made for me and can't wait to start using it. Hugs, Yvonne. There. Yeah. I know, it's really funny. I done 2, actually. The first one I done, I thought, oh my gosh, it was too grungy. This is beautiful paper here. I love it. Oh my gosh. And I have a feeling you've done that yourself. That is absolutely lovely. So, a minute. Just put that on there. That is really, you've gel printed some nice tissue paper there, or glassine paper. That feels gorgeous, and I love it. Oh, look, lovely. Oh my God, that is so great. That, you know, because I know I love vintage, but I also love colour, and sometimes I work in my art journal and it's also all colour. It's all sort of bright colours and everything, and I love it. And that gold shimmery paint on there is absolutely brilliant. Love it. Yeah, that's actually really nice paper. It's like, it is like deli sheets, but it's thicker than normal. Let's see where she got that from, because I think that will be quite fun to use, unless it's the paint making it feel thicker. Oh, brilliant. Oh. I love she know why I'm laughing at these. Oh, that's funny. Right, yeah, love them. Yeah, do something with them, Yvonne. You know I will. These are great. Okay, I've had to stop myself from laughing, but yeah, these are beautiful. We was on about making some, that was all, and I haven't got round to it yet, so she sent me loads. So I think that was a bit of a hint on get your act together, Andrea. Yeah, oh, I love all this. Do you know, it's really funny, because I love making all these sort of papers, but I think you get bored of looking at your own stuff. As I said I'm actually pleased to give it to somebody else, and then I'll have theirs, because it's great. I love it. I love all these papers. Oh, yes, brilliant. Love them. And do you know what, it's just fun to have a play. It really is. That's nice too, Yvonne. That's lovely. Lovely job. I think that's one of mine. She did say you might get some of your own papers, and I'm like, ooh. No, that's great, because it all, you know, it's, look at the colours. It's all coordinating absolutely brilliantly. Love it. Yeah. Oh, my French journal. Yeah. Lovely. That's quite nice too. It's got texture on that. Was she there pricking? But there was things, weren't there, years ago that you had, and I had metal stencils too for like working with vellum and things like that. And then you had these pricking patterns, and then they brought a ruler out, didn't they, where you could prick along the edge of paper and sew it if you wanted to. I think I have one of those somewhere. Oh, it's great. You shall have a good play with all this. Love it. Nice. And these are always handy, all these little bits. They really are. Yeah, lovely. It is nice to see other people's papers. Look at that. Yeah. We've got to use that as well, haven't we? So just put that on there for now. And it's quite good doing oh, napkins, lovely, a very, you know, small journal like that. And then because it's not too big a project, Yeah, because I think we're both like, you know, we haven't got time to do huge projects anymore, you know, so these little small journals are ideal, you know, just, you know, do one and have a little play in it. And it doesn't matter, it's yours, you know. All right, napkins. Lovely. Like the envelope too, by the way. Oh, nice. Yeah, I like napkins with birds on. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, I know Yvonne likes birds as well. And it's funny, we're both into roses at the moment as well. I love this napkin. It's really beautiful. Yeah, quite, you could make some striking things with that, because you could do like a lot of coloured backgrounds and then put these over the top. It would look amazing. Oh, it's pretty too, because I like all these little elements on here, because you can cut those out. Yeah, lovely, very pretty. Well, thank you very much, Yvonne, and I'm definitely looking forward to having a play. Thank you very much. Bye, everyone.